And can you really trust the longs on a day like this? Really? You went long right here? And when it decides to go long and go up, it'll do it in the worst possible situation that you think it's not going to do it, and that's when it does it. So that's why 1% of people make it in this business. 1%. 1%. I'm going to take another trend line break here to the downside. If it gives me trend line breaks, I'm going to take it to the downside.
Order filled.
You want to go back up and get it? Go back up and get it. That's fine. But I'm going to take the trend line breaks. All right. Take the profit. Should I just take the profit or break even? Break even. Break even. One of these days it's going to keep right on going. As long as I can break even, I'm happy. So come back to this blue line where you failed to sweep before and get it now. Now it's time to get it. Come on. Sellers are weak. Keep going. Keep going. There you go. Get the blue line. I think you want to go down even lower, so I'm just going to trail it if I get a chance to trail it. 5,000 on the 5,000 here. 10,000. Where we at? 10,000. I hope it keeps going. I'm on break even, but I wish it would keep going. It wants to break right here, so break, yeah, hit it. There, you below that pivot. Now get below this one. Almost there. You're almost there. Come on, you could do it. You could do it. I want to see this candle break and keep going down. That's what I want to see. That's what I want to see. I'm on break even again, so we'll see. I guess I have to be stubborn about the whole thing, because if I want to get good at holding winners, I've got the only way to do it is to hold the winners. If I revert back to my chicken butt way of trading, then I'm never going to hold the winners, and I want to be able to hold the winners. If you're on break even, you're good to go. But part of the problem is I've had some losses and I want to make that money back. So I'm torn between wanting to hold the winner, breaking even, or just taking the $70 here and the $50 there, and every time it does it, you're making, this and that, and you could make the money back. I'm down 300, but I really want to see this go. I want to see if it's breaking nice now. Let's see what happens here. There's another pivot way down here. Way down here. I mean, even if it comes to this one, that would be good. This one right here, I'd be happy with that. Come on. I'm gonna go to this pivot right here. At least we'll lock in something. We'll lock in something here. Okay, so we're locking this in. This needs to come down to this level here, somewhere in this level here. And I'm just going to see, if I can just trail it. I'm already up profitable. That's good to know. And this thing's finally moving with some momentum below that pivot level, which is really good. I mean, it couldn't get below that since yesterday. So it's really got a nice, strong move to the downside. Go, go, go. Hit the target. Hit the target.
Order filled.
I'm taking it. The reason why I'm taking it, I've held it. It was a good hold. But I'm seeing this trend line over here. It's got me freaked out. I want to go study that. It's probably nothing. Yeah. Probably should. I wish I didn't have it on there, but looks more like this now. There's plenty of room for that to keep going. Shoot. Now that I'm out of it, I'm not going to get back in it. But so I'm green for today. Still red from last night, though. That makes me feel a lot better, man. Whew. I needed that win. But just keep taking good trades until, you know, and then hold the winners. That's the goal. The problem is, was any of this even a good trade? I think, you know, waiting for this break right here was a smart thing to do. Trying to trade it up in this area was a nightmare. Now it's finally moving. And I got a big piece of that, but I'm just wishing that trend line didn't spook me. Could I still be in this right now? Yeah, I got out right there on that blue line.
Order
I'm
filled.
gonna try it right here. I'm gonna take a little tiny risk. See if it'll keep coming down this line down here. Taking a little tiny risk on that green bar ignored. Right there. It's sold off right there. If it gets me and then it starts doing that choppy behavior again, I'm not going to give back all my profits. I'm going to break even here as soon as I get a chance, but I'd like to see it come down to that blue line. I really would. That's a nice candle. I should use that as my stop loss now. There you go. Right there. Let's see if we can get back in this and let it come back down. I mean, I'll take 1 or 2 to our return on this one. I'd like to break even as fast as I can, though. See, it would have stopped me out for break even right there. I like this. Just keep going. You've got a nice strong move. There's no reason for you to come up. There's no reason for you to come up. You've already pintailed yourself right there. That's good. There you go. Give me those red candles. Break even. Break even. Let it come down this blue line. Come on, buddy. Show me what's up. I've been getting good at holding. Oh, come on. Don't do nothing wrong with my computer. Come on. You did it. Keep going. Come on. Don't break even. No. Turn around. Turn around right now. Turn around. Go down. Go down. Right here. Stay on the momentum lines. Stay on the momentum lines. There you go. Go down. Go down. Go down. Go down. There you go. There you go.
Order filled.
I'm out. I'm just going to take a 1-to-1 on that. So we got a little bit more. That's good. Developing the nerve, the guts, the skill. Look at that. It's doing exactly what I wanted and going exactly where I thought. It's good to see. It's good to experience. It's good to be in it. It's good to be right here facing it and watching it. And now it's down in that trend line again. Now I moved that trend line out further. This could be a bounce area. That's a strong momentum. I'm glad I got back in it, but I could have had, if I just stayed in it, from here to here was wasted points. I could have made another $50, $46 more had I just simply stayed in it, and then even more if I would have hit my target. I would have made another $100 if I would have just held instead of getting out. So the trend line spooked me here, and then I got back in, and then I got out for 1-to-1. See what it does at this trend line. This is a trend line bounce right here. Bet you it does bounce nicely. Comes back over this blue line. That'll be interesting. Now it does have more room to go down. Plenty of room to go down to this next red line, which is yesterday's low. This whole day could be an engulfing candle, and it can break through that and keep right on going down. So if that's what we're looking at, you know, that'd be a good move to the downside.
Order
I'm
filled.
gonna try it. Let's get down to that red line. Come on down to that red line. Come on. It tested that blue line, which is great.
Order filled.
I'm just
Order
taking whatever
canceled.
I can get right now, man. I'm starting to make back everything I lost last night. That's a good feeling. I shouldn't have took those trades last night. I should wait for this kind of activity to take place, where I'm watching for a breakdown area and momentum to kick in. So right up here, We took this trend line. I'm going to see where I was at. This is the big gutsy move right here. And I shorted, broke even. And I was shorting right here, breaking even. I shorted again right here, broke even again, right? All these little trades right here were short, make a little profit, short. This was a tiny, looks like that might have been a tiny loss. Tried to short several times right here. And just small little losses. Then I got back in right here and shorted, break even. Shorted again, right here. Nice profit. Came up, break even. I was looking for it to hit this blue line. I was looking for it to hit that blue line. Decided, you know what, it's going to hit that blue line. Here's a green bar ignored. I got this one up here though. As soon as it broke the trend line, I said I'm jumping on it, and I used the very first candle as my stop loss. Sometimes I'll do it when I don't get a green bar ignored or a GBI. If I feel like it might not do a GBI, which it did, but I will just take it and use that breakout candle. If it comes over the top of that breakout candle, I just get out. And that's what I did here, and it never came over the top of that red candle right there, so I stayed in it. That ended up being the best trade. I got back in it right here. It looks like I got out here at the blue line, where's the target. Got back in it right here. Took a quick scalp. Got back in it right here. Took a quick scalp. So for today, we're green since this morning. But I'm still down 187 because of last night's ridiculous trading. And I think I'm done live streaming for now. It's 10:10. Make a quick video on some things, and I will see you guys live streaming